A few weeks ago, the Brazilian government released the deforestation number for 2021 to 2022, and Brazil have deforested additional 11,300 square kilometers of primary forest. So it's a huge amount of carbon that is being released to the atmosphere without any benefit for the Brazilian or for the global society. So, of course, the very first task that Brazil have to do is to get zero deforestation as quickly as possible. The commitment from the new government who will take office on January 1st is to zero deforestation by 2028. This is possible, and there is no cheaper, easier, or faster way to reduce greenhouse gas emissions than stop deforestation. Another important advancement is the joint efforts between Brazil, Indonesia, and Congo, signing an agreement to jointly reduce tropical deforestation, because of course, it is essential to stop deforestation in all tropical countries, not just in Amazonia. But, and there is a very important but, the problem is that the Amazonian forest, because of the increase in temperature, is suffering very important degradation and is starting to lose carbon to the global atmosphere. Why this is important? Because Amazonia itself, only the Brazilian Amazonia, holds 120 billion tons of carbon in the ecosystem. This is roughly 10 years of all fossil fuel burning in the whole planet. If a fraction of this carbon goes to the atmosphere due to the increase in temperature and the reduction in precipitation in Amazonia, then bye-bye to all of us. So basically, in addition to stop deforestation, it's absolutely essential to stop the burning of fossil fuels. Even if Brazil stops deforestation by 2028 to zero, if the developed countries continuing to burn fossil fuel, the Amazonia and all the other tropical forests does not have a future, and the carbon that is stored on this critical ecosystem will be released to the atmosphere, aggravating the climate emergency that we have right now. So this is clearly the scenario I see in terms of global carbon emissions.